Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the motherfucking Burglar Report. Number one choice for news, politics, and deep tissue massage. Yes, massage. I, of course, am your personal masseuse and host, Dave Steppenwolf. It's good to be back. I feel like I keep fucking saying that. The quickening is upon us. We're already at the end of February. And I have not put out a video this past week. Definitely a lot of fucking news. But I have to tell you, I've been quite the busy beaver, vagina. And I'll tell you why. Got myself a little hobby. Last Saturday, started 3D printing. Oh, look at this little fella. This guy is the first of his kind. His name is Jake Jr. Okay? Get to that in a moment. Like and subscribe, follow, I don't give a shit. Politics are fucking crazy right now, okay? Biden's burning us down. We're not going there. We're not going there. With all that goes on in the world, you gotta remember that to stop and smell the roses. You gotta sit back and enjoy life. And while my rants and commentary are incredibly poignant, insightful, and fucking weirdly hilarious, we're not doing that today. You gotta embrace your creative side. You gotta find something to do. Because we can't just sit here and watch fucking weird political videos and work ourselves into a grave. Which I'm busy working all the time, whatever, fuck it. So what I did, came in last weekend, got me a 3D printer. And I have been printing some shit up. Let me show you what I got. You already met Jake Jr. Okay, this little guy. This is some little cat thing. That also came in there. Got a baby Yoda. I think it's pretty fucking sweet. This is actually a glow-in-the-dark material. It's a little different. You can't see shit with the light. Whatever. Print me up this little Minecraft fella. Little creeper. Adjustable head. Comes off. Fancy. Little Pikachu. His tail, somebody stepped on him. Tail came off. Whatever. Yep. This little guy. Oh, where's the rest of them? This one I made today. This little Among Us character. See this little fella? Super tiny. You can't even see shit. There you go. And then bam. He got murdered. There's his bones. All over the place. And of course, got me a Spider-Man with a removable base. A lot of kid stuff. I got kids, what can I tell you? There are going to be some art projects for them. They just don't know yet. Because they all got to be painted. Mostly. In any case, I want to just show you how easy it is to get one of these. Because I know, 3D printer seems overwhelming. I'm a couple years behind the times, clearly. But once I got going, it's pretty much fucking plug and play. It's kind of awesome. It's kind of fun. Not gonna lie. So let's see what we got here. So this one here. Already queued up some stuff. Save some time. Here's your 3D printers. I went with the Ender 3 Pro. Very cheap. This one, I think this is the one I got. $245. Comes with the upgraded power supply. And what else was that? This freaking mat. This base that... Oh, yeah. You can totally see what I'm doing. This freaking base at the bottom here is a magnetic detachable thing. Fucking sweet. I'm telling you right now, I went into this not knowing shit about the 3D printers. But this is what I did. Amazon. Pull this bad boy up. $245. I think they start at $206. Scroll down here. I'll look at all these other ones recommended, whether customers buy, blah, blah, blah. That's pretty sweet. Go through the specs. Tells you what to do, kind of. And then I went down to... What did I go down to? I queued up the wrong fucking one. No script here. Bear with me. Pretty much went to frequently bought together. You buy the printer. You get the filament, which is like a plastic freaking cord crap. Click it, you're out the door. Okay? So got that. Alright, let's go back to the thing. So, I mean, it's pretty basic to order the fucking thing. And I got it like 2 days later. Took me about 2 hours put together. But if I really would have just sat there and did it in one spot, in one swoop, it would have been 45 minutes. Pretty fucking simple. It's like 12 steps. Literally, 12 steps in the instructions. You're plugging some stuff in. Comes with all the tools, the Allen wrenches, little screws and bits. Everything needs to be plugged in. And you freaking plug it in. Turn it on. And it comes with this little thumb drive. Let's look over here. A little USB or SD to USB converter. Comes with a memory card. Has prints preloaded, which are these guys. These are your first little sample prints that I had. These are fucking easy. Plug it in, hit the little keypad, or the little thing in the corner. Don't know shit. I don't know the terminology at all. You fucking just print. It's just done in like 2 hours. It's fucking great. And when you're tired of printing those, let me show you how the software works. Okay? Because it comes with software preloaded onto this thing. Plug this in. Did I do right? There we go. Yeah, we got your F drive opening up here. Pretty simple. So you open that up, upload the software. This is your software. That's it. Once you get your software, this is what you do. Get back on the internet. Site called Thingiverse. Alright. Thingiverse. There's plenty of sites where people have free designs for you. Fucking simple, I'm telling you. This is after I bought it, put it together. Looking at this, looking at YouTube videos, learn about Thingiverse. Look up something you want. Let's go with a Baby Groot. Got the Baby Yoda, gotta have Baby Groot. And Groot. Everybody uploads their freaking designs. Pick which one you want. I actually went with this, or I was looking at this one earlier. Click over here, download the files. It downloads to the computer, you gotta unzip them. Unzip the files. Open up your Creality software, whatever the fuck it's called. Hit the load. Okay. Browse your computer. Find the file that you downloaded. This was Baby Groot. Open that up. And watch this. Check it out. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's loading. It's loading. It's fucking loading. Give me a quick step by step how to get going. Up and running. Computer might be a little slow right now apparently. But fucking whatever. There it is. Oh baby. There he is. Baby Groot. Has them rendered for you. All you have to do is download the fucking sample files, unzip them, open them up in your Creality slicer software that comes fucking with the damn 3D printer. Doesn't get much fucking simpler than that. And it even tells you right here how long it's going to take. Well, it's not. It's still loading, actually. It might give it some time. Of all the times for this shit to run slow. Anyways, so you can change the qualities up here. You can do a fast print, normal print, high quality, which is a lot slower. And it gives you the amount. It gives you how many grams of your filament you're going to use and how long it's going to take. And a filament is usually, or the ones that I buy, these rolls of this little tiny strip of plastic, depending different types of plastic. You can learn about all kinds of different types of plastic materials. And they're 1,000 kilograms. I don't know how many meters and yards it turns out to be, but or 1,000 kilograms. 1 kilogram. 1,000 kilograms would be enormous. Fuck me. It's 1 kilogram, and it tells you right here. You'll process whatever you upload. The software automatically processes and tells you how long it's going to take, how many grams it's going to use, so you have an idea. Fucking simple. This one's still processing. Still processing. We're fucking making a video here, Creality. What the fuck? Holy shit. Let's make sure I'm on the right page here. Oh, stuff I wasn't. Oh, sure am. Sorry. One behind the scenes look there. Almost there. Oh, so yeah, it's been quite the week with the politics and shit going on. Still waiting on the Biden bucks. Speaking of Biden bucks, this would be the perfect fucking gift. Perfect usage for your Biden bucks. If you're getting $1,400 a person, this will put you $300 and you got a fucking new hobby and you make your own chip. And I tell you, with these basic printers, these 3D Ender 3 Pro, or the Ender 5 Pro, which is essentially the same thing but a little more sturdier. You can, with the right materials and a few $100, $150 worth of upgrades, you can might make yourself some 3D printed firearms, from what I understand. You don't get the fire pan in the barrel. That stuff's going to be machined separately. But there are some websites that show you exactly how to do it. And I will get into that at some point. That is months down the line, though, for me, because I honestly want to get into the 3D printing thing and just really, find out all about it. See how it turns out. See what I can really how I understand. Okay, see. So this is full scale off the prints. It's going to take 8 hours, 34 minutes. And it's going to use 83 grams of material. This turned out to be 27 meters. And I got plenty of material for that. So that's cool. That's pretty much it. And then right here, since I plugged in my USB to SD converter, my little thumb drive, all you gotta do is click on that. And it converts it into a fucking file, the G-code file, whatever that file is supposed to be. And you plug it into you pull out the memory card, plug it into your 3D printer. That's it, you print it. It's stupid. It's easy. Not overwhelming. I know it took me so long to get into this. I'm just letting you know, there's nothing overwhelming about it. I thought it was. I thought, 3D printing is probably super complicated. Gotta be a fucking computer nerd. Not the case. Before, and you're just printing away. I actually queued this one up. This is a Ender 5 Pro, but it's showing you exactly what needs to be done. Turn on the power. Well, that's your little computer. Go down, print from the card. That's it. Pick your fucking print. That's it. And here he goes. It's printing. Oh, it's got to warm up the shit. It's got to warm up the bottom plate. Warm up the little extruder or whatever fucking heating device. Watch this. It's got all kinds of little relays. It's fucking fun in a box. Plug and play. Simple. If you can send some emails, you can do the software part of it. Not complicated at all. Your kids can fucking do it. My kids can do it. I'm going to show them how to do it. Look at this. It's time lapse, obviously. Just printing away. Badass. Sure is cool. Look at that. Look at how fucking easy that was. And how. There's all kinds of other designs. Look, this one's pretty cool. This is a different angle. There's actually other stuff you can upgrade by this thing called the Raspberry Pi. It's a little mini computer. You use it to set up video cameras, and it's something to help configure your printer. You can have timers set when you want to start printing. You can fucking set up video cameras and make YouTubes of people or 3D prints. That shit is fucking badass. I don't know. Whatever. It's enough of that. But that's my that's my video. That's what I've been getting into this past week. You gotta find something else to do sometimes. I'll go back at my politics next week. I just been busy with 3D printing shit. I've been having a lot of fun with it. Just want to give you a quick rundown. If you're curious about it ever, I'm 2, 3, 4, 5 years behind the curve here. Easily affordable. Great investment for your fucking Biden bucks. And I actually might buy another one if whenever that shit comes along. No, we got some back in December. That's actually why I bought this one. Fun for the kids. Make some little freaking these little fellas and have them paint them up, and I mean you can get into designing your own shit. And there's people that actually where was it on this thing? Back here. You can tip the designers so people can make money off of this. At some point, just making your own designs, and it shows you. It's all kinds of YouTube, all that shit. Figure out how to create your designs and use the Creality software. What the fuck this is? Simple, fucking simple. Get on it now. All right, that's cool. Have a great day.